I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down.
Welcome back, you guys. We are getting our hair done, and as you can see, your girl looks tea, and it is really because of these bundles. So let me go ahead and put you guys on. These bundles are from Curlsqueen. I'm using 2 bundles, and yes, I said 2 bundles for a full sew-in. And the bundles are 18 inches, and they're light Yaki texture. They have so many hair textures.
I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a body's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. Being as close, she isn't close enough. You could say every time we touch, every time we up. Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One better, I'm ready, hardest. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too far in. I know when they see just one, do they see us too?
I have had my sew-in for a few weeks. It's definitely time to wash the hair. I need some of this product, oils, just everyday residue that gets trapped in your hair. I need it washed out. It's nothing worse than having dirty hair and then it rubbing against your face constantly. I would have never thought that this type of hair texture would feel soft. Like, I thought it would have like some sort of roughness to it since it's like Yaki. Let me show you guys the products that I'm going to be using for my bundles. I'm going in with the Elle Vibe by L'Oreal. This is their glycolic glossing system. I love using these on my bundles just because it gives it like more of like a shine to the hair, a nice like healthy glow, if you will. It kind of just revives your bundles after having all that product and stuff in your hair. So yes, this is perfect for anyone who is dealing with dull hair, and it smells so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So let's get ready to wash our hair.
You ain't gotta say a word, just walk that, let's get burned. It will roll up 100 bucket times. All up in my mouth now, all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian, he waving and I'm drunk, I got that.
Okay, you guys, so we're back. It's time to blow dry our hair, and I have the Rev Air, but I also want to use my T3 blow dryer that gets some love, not enough love. I'm going in with the Eva NYC 10-in-1 primer. It's a heat protectant with argan oil. I'm just gonna mist this on my hair and my bundles. As you guys can see, I did very minimal leave out because I wanted to just protect my hair. So most of this is just bundles. It's crazy because I only used 2 bundles and I barely had any leave out and it still covered my forehead. That's insane.
POV.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I had a body's tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I'm moved to a great tattoo, I would think it's my affection. You use cold shit, you close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we wish I could feel me to the pollen. One day I'm really high.
This is still not dry. This is why I like my Rev Air. And this is still not dry. After like 4 minutes of blow drying one small section, yeah, I'm gonna just go with my Rev Air. This is the Rev Air. She uses reverse air technology. That way you're not getting as much heat damage and it doesn't take you long to blow dry your hair. I like to go in with the heat protectant on the bundles as well. Just because, I mean, if it's high quality hair, I wanna keep it nice and nourished. I just take care of bundles like I take care of my hair. Every breath I'm sinking in, always it's tragic. I'm a riot. I wake up and I'm still not beside you. Instead of beside you, this shouldn't surprise you. You don't even notice. Don't even mind. As you can see, we gotta get this front part to lay down. But so far, everything is nice. It feels full. The hair, like literally my stylist was telling me, she was like, wow, these are some of the thickest bundles she's ever used. And the fact that we were able to do a full head, not just some of my hair left out, like it's literally the smallest amount of leave out used, and I was still able to achieve such a full look. I'm gonna go in with my straightener and just get this nice and straight and style this bang. I really don't even need to go in and flat iron this hair because it's already kind of like how I like it. It has volume to it. It's not too bone straight to where it looks like boneless. First, let me do my leave out. Okay, just gonna hit it one time. I cannot believe I literally cut this part of my hair, but it's cool. It was for the style. I really wanted bangs this time around, so I just went for it. So we're gonna go track by track, take the leave out with the bang. And I know some of y'all are probably like, well, why did you get leave out if you have a bang? And that's because sometimes I want to put the bangs up out of my face. So I needed some leave out so that way when I flip it over and I wear a headband or something, the track isn't showing. This is my hair all styled. She smells amazing, feels so soft. It literally looks like a silk press. Like, you could not tell me otherwise. You can't tell me otherwise because it has so much like volume and texture, but it's still so smooth and silky, and it just has body. Like, that's what it gives. It gives body. and a lot of straight bundles don't have body. Again, I use 2 bundles of 18 inches, and these 18 inches are long. And as you can see, this is a very full ponytail. And it's so crazy because as somebody who gets sew-ins often, the stylists are always like, you need 3, you need 4 bundles for your hair to look nice, thick, and full, and have some like body and movement. But this right here, yeah, you literally need 2. If I would have gotten 3, it might have been overkill. It literally looks like a silk purse. Like, you could not tell me otherwise. You can't tell me otherwise because it has so much like volume and texture, but it's still so smooth and silky, and it just has body. Like, that's what it gives. It gives body. And a lot of straight bundles don't have body. Oh, this eats. She eats, and you can't tell me she doesn't. Wow, just get into these bundles. Get into it. Get into it. But like, okay, so how do you maintain your hair while it's in a sew-in? And I'm here to show you, if I can find my brush. Okay, there we go. I have so many of these brushes from Curlsqueen because their hair is so good. Like, I have some of their curly clip-ins, and they have lasted me so long. But basically what I do is just I brush the hair like I'm going to wrap my soap first, like from my scalp type of thing. So I go around. And as far as the bang goes, I kind of have to style the bang every day. But other than that, this is literally how I go to sleep. I will put on a cap. I like to use stockings. I don't know about everybody else, but I just feel like this is so easy. I literally just throw it on, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, until all the little hairs are in there. And then I just throw the little leg parts up. And then I put on the bonnet that Curlsqueen provides. And then that's it. Literally took me like 30 seconds maybe to do that. And then I just go to sleep. And then when I'm done in the morning, I just undo this and I twist it off like that. And then I just brush it out. I just brush it out. And normally there's like no tangles, if anything. I highly recommend Curlsqueen. I have their curly bundles for the days that I just want a more like natural sew-in. I also have their curly clip-ins. They have a bunch of different textures, like 4A, 4B, 4C, 3B, 3A, the whole thing, okay? So you're going to be able to find something that matches your texture or at least closely mimics it. I will leave all the details to my hair down below. Let me know in the comments, would you try this style out? Would you buy some of these bundles? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair vlog and got some tips for maintaining your sew-in and styling and all the things. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But I can't tell where you're here.